Yeah, good evening everyone. Welcome back to another video on this channel. So like I said early on our last video, I told you guys that I'll be dropping a constant update on this channel. And right here on today's video, I want to teach you guys how to create a new YouTube channel so that you can follow up the video and create your first YouTube channel on YouTube. Okay, so this channel, I'm going to use this channel as an example, and while I'm recording this video, I will be creating this particular channel you are watching this video on. Okay, so you can see the growth and the progress of this particular channel. So all I need from you is to make sure you watch this video to the end and see the step by step on how we are going to create a new YouTube channel so that you can follow up the step so you won't make any mistake. Okay, so I'm going to give you all the necessary information you need to use on creating your new YouTube channel. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please consider subscribing and also turn on your bell notification to always get notified any single day we drop a new update. So now let's get into our laptop screen and start creating this new channel.
Okay guys, so now we are on our laptop, and right here, first of all, go to your browser. Okay, so right here on our browser, we are on the YouTube already. Okay, so now the first thing to do is to make sure your channel logo and your channel cover photo are already made. And right here now, after you have prepared all those things, guys, all you need to do is to come over to the YouTube and then go over to the profile. Okay, so you can see this little icon on the screen. Just tap on that, and right here you're gonna need to switch to your account. Okay, so you can switch to the Google account you want to use for this YouTube channel. Okay, so right here, if you have your Google account already, you can just go ahead and tap on the switch account on the screen, and then you're gonna see the Google account over here. Just go ahead and select the Google account. So here on my case, I'm going to add a new Google account. So if you haven't added your new Google account, which you want to use for the YouTube channel creating, you can just go ahead and tap on the add account over here. And once you tap on that, it's gonna take you to your Google to sign in. Okay, so you're gonna need to sign in through your Google account. So right here, you're gonna need to enter the email address of the Google account you want to use. Okay, so in this case, I said earlier that I'm going to create this channel with you guys. So I want you to watch this video to the end and see how I'm doing everything. So I'm gonna need to use the email address of this YouTube channel. Okay, so let's just do that real quick, and I'm gonna come back. So I'm trying to log in right now. All right, my people. So now we have logged in our Gmail account. So now we're gonna head over to the creating of channel. So before we get into this, please, if this is your first time of visiting our YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and also turn on your bell notification to always get notified any single day we drop a new update. Mind you that we'll be posting videos back to back on this channel, teaching you guys a lot of things about YouTube, so you won't miss out, guys. So let's continue. So right here, you're gonna need to tap on the profile icon again on top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, right here, you're gonna need to tap on the create channel. Okay, so this is where you're gonna need to create your channel. So now we are going to tap on the create channel button, and right here it says you should enter the name. Okay, so you're gonna need to enter your channel name on the screen. So here now we are going to say Steve OPDD. Okay, so this is gonna be our channel name. Okay, so you're gonna type in Steve OPDD. Okay, so this is our channel name, and right here you can see the handle is right here. So now you're gonna need to select your profile picture. So here is very, very important because this profile picture is what's gonna be showing on your YouTube channel profile. Okay, so whenever people searches for your name, this is the picture that is going to come up on your channel. Okay, so now you're gonna need to tap on select picture over here, and it's gonna take you to your gallery. Okay, so let's do that, and right here you're gonna need to tap on select from computer. Okay, so we are going to select from our gallery, and right here you're gonna need to tap on upload from computer. Okay, so right here you're gonna go to your images on your system. Okay, so let's go to the picture section. So we are going to use this picture over here, and once you tap on that, it's uploading right here. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds. Here comes the image. Okay, so this is the image we are going to use for this channel, and right here you are going to tap on the done button over here if you're okay. So right here you can go ahead and drag the sidelines to your normal size of choice. Okay, so here I think this size is okay. I think this is okay like this. Let's go ahead and tap on the done button over here to save that. Okay, so once you tap on the done button, right here our profile picture has been created, and right here you can see that on the screen. So now let's tap on the create channel over here to create our channel. So right here our channel has been created, and that's so wonderful. So now you're gonna start customizing your channel. Okay, so right here the next thing to do is to tap on the customize channel button over here. So tap on that, and it's gonna take you to your YouTube Studio account. Okay, so they are going to take you to your YouTube Studio where you can customize your channel. So now the first thing to do here is tap on the continue button and then close all these notifications showing on the screen. So now the next thing to do is to put in your channel banner. Okay, so this channel banner is what people are gonna see as a cover photo on your channel. So we're gonna need to tap on the upload button over here to upload that. So let's go to the locals over here, and we're gonna go to users and then go to this, then scroll down, and right here is our banner. Okay, so we are going to do that. Actually, if you don't know how to create your channel banner, I think I'm gonna make video about that sometime on this channel. Okay, so within few days I'm going to make a video on how to create your channel banner so that you can also do that for your channel. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to always get notified whenever we drop updates. So after you enter your channel banner like this, just go ahead and tap on the done button. Okay, so if you tap on the done button right now, right here you're gonna need to tap on the publish button. Okay, so if you publish this right now, your picture and your cover photo are gonna be showing like this on the channel. So now the next thing to do is to scroll down. Before you publish this, just scroll down a little bit here and check out other things you need to add. Okay, so here you're gonna need to add your channel description. So it's very, very important to have a channel description. So all you need to do here is to enter that on the screen. So I have a description already for my channel. So now we are going to paste in that right here and tap on paste. Okay, so now you can see our channel description on the screen. So now the next thing to do is to scroll down a little bit over here. Right, it says add links. Okay, so you can go ahead and add your social media handle links if you want to do that. And right here you can also enter your email address for people that wants to contact you. Okay, so it's very important so that if you get some projects to work on, you can be easily contacted by the company to make video for them or something like that. Okay, so you can go ahead and enter your email address over there. Is very important. Then after that, the next thing to do is to upload your channel watermark. Okay, so you can upload your channel watermark so that your channel will be customized and people can just use your video anyhow.
So right here, you can add your channel watermark over here, and this is gonna be showing all over your videos. Okay, so whenever people are watching your video, they are going to see this watermark on the screen, and this can also help your videos not to be copied or posted everywhere on YouTube. Okay, like there are a lot of people that can come around, copy people's video and post on their channel without permission. I think this is one of the benefits of having this channel watermark on your videos so that people won't be using your videos to do a lot of things. Okay, so right here now you can go ahead and upload your channel logo as your watermark. Okay, so we're gonna go back here and select this same image. So we are going to use our channel logo for this. Okay, so let's tap on that. Right here it says that they need a lesser MB file. Okay, so you need at least 1 MB picture. So we're gonna need to fix this later. Okay, so I don't want to make this video so long like that. So after you set up everything on the screen, just go ahead and tap on publish. Okay, so if you tap on the publish button over here, everything gonna be exactly as you did it. Okay, so now let's tap on view channel over here, and once you tap on that, you're gonna see our channel is live on YouTube right now. So you can see the channel logo and everything is over here, and you can now start uploading your videos. So this is how to create your YouTube channel. So now the next thing to do is to jump into the settings. You know, there are a lot of settings you need to do on YouTube channels, and this is going to help you rank high on YouTube algorithm. Okay, so a lot of things like keywords, tags, and other things. Okay, so I'm going to cover this in our next videos. Okay, so if you want to see the next video teaching you how to set up your YouTube channel, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification to get notified once we drop that video. Okay, so thank you guys. This is how to create a YouTube channel in 2025, and I hope this is gonna help you. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you on our next video, guys. So if you have any other questions, guys, just hurry up, drop your comment below this video, and I'm gonna respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, so see you on the next video, guys. Love you, loves you, and goodbye for now.